This is a Lucy pour table. It's 50 odd mil thick and we've finished pouring it. And notice we've come up with a new technique. We've found baking paper won't stick to the epoxy, and we've found no more gaps. Sally's no more gaps works really well at damming and also sealing. So what we've done in underneath, we've run a line of no more gaps. Then we'll put the timber down onto the greaseproof paper or baking paper, and that's sealed underneath. If you look, we've run up the sides. So we've brought the no more gaps up the sides of our timber as well, so that it's sealed, it's fully sealed. And that way you don't have to build a box and dam it all. So a really good technique to do your pours. We've just got to sort out, we've got a couple of creases in the bottom, but we think we've solved that problem. I think if you put spray-on adhesive onto your timber, your base, before you put the greaseproof paper down, that'll solve that problem. One of the problems with the greaseproof paper is it wants to slide all over the place, and we've ended up with those darn creases. That's alright, we'll soon get those out when we finish it off. But a really neat table. Now if you want to see the whole video, it's separately listed on our YouTube channel, The Epoxy Guru. So you can go and see it from start to finish.